so that, let's say, they were actually demonstrating against that. If you look at that 1 year period, how many healthcare workers have been employed across the 47 counties? Less than 300. How many doctors? Less than 40. So tell me, how will the UHC be achieved? It's a pipe dream. And why am I saying this? In 2021, 2022, the budget for UHC was 47.7 billion. What happened? In the 2022-2023 budget, UHC was 62.3 billion. What happened? In this maiden budget of Kenya Kwanza, the UHC is at 18.3 billion in the budget. I'm expecting some miracles to make it better. Because health is not free and cannot be free. It has to be funded. And it has to be funded by either the person seeking the care or the government. In Kenya today, the out-of-pocket expenditure for every Kenyan is 150 billion. There are many people taking planes to India. There are so many people going to public hospitals. Over 70% of them will not find a doctor or will have a long waiting time. Some of them, if they are lucky to wait and come the next day to find a doctor, there are no reagents in the hospitals to diagnose these particular patients. We saw doctors closing hospitals in